front of me is REALME GT Neo 3, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this device. Firstly, go into Tab menu. Now look for location icon and click on it. As you can see, mine is white. That means that location is off. If you wish to turn it back on, just click on the same icon. But you can always go into settings as well, scroll down and tap on location section. Then manage the location of your device by clicking on this switcher next to location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!